Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing raw vegan carrot cake. This carrot cake is perfect if you're looking for something sweet and healthy and you don't feel like baking. And instead of the traditional cream cheese frosting, we're going to keep it healthy. So we're going to swap our cream cheese for cashews and make a cashew frosting. And this frosting is super easy to make and it goes incredibly well with our carrot cake. To start, we're going to blend dates and walnuts together in a food processor until they form a sticky dough. Next, add the shredded carrots, the shredded coconut, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the ginger, and a pinch of salt, and blend until everything is well combined. Press the mixture onto a cake pan and set aside. So now we're going to move on to our frosting, and I've already soaked my cashews in boiling water for an hour, and you're going to want to do this step beforehand so that your cashews are ready when you're making the frosting. When cashews absorb water, they become softer, so your frosting turns out more smooth and creamier. Blend the cashews with coconut cream, maple syrup, and vanilla extract until smooth. Spread the frosting over the carrot cake and refrigerate for at least an hour before serving. Once the cake is set, let it thaw for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to make this carrot cake. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more tasty and healthy vegan dessert recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.